Okay, guys, today I will show you some of the top secret, some of the secret lah. I don't know it's top secret or not, but this is based on my experience on how we can publish paper every day. To the point that you can publish paper every day. There is several steps or several skill or preparation that you need to have first. Maybe you can prepare this several days, several weeks first, and then after that you can publish paper almost every day. For me, I can do that. Publish paper, I can submit it every day. But because I have other commitments, so I'm not doing that. But at some point, I able to do that almost every day. So it's possible if you do it right. So one of the secret is you must have a research template. So research template is very important because it will accelerate. Because what I'm going to do to tell you is not how to do research. You can do research by your own. It's up to you how to do research, right? But what I'm going to tell you is how to make it very fast, very fast. So one of secret is you need to have a research template. For example, I will show you. I'll share the screen. So entire screen. For example, when we want to write our paper, we use our the same all Microsoft Words, right? And then we use our title, trend analysis of rainfall in Penang, something like that. So if we want to start everything from the beginning again, when we want to publish some paper, writing the title, writing the abstract, this is very tedious. It's wasting your time. I tell you, it's wasting your time. Don't do something like this. So instead, you can do you prepare a template, research template. For example, I show you directly what is the research template that I mean here. So for example, I will share you some of my paper that I already published. Let's see my extreme rainfall. Okay, paper. Okay. Wait. Example, some paper that I have submit to Science of the Total Environment. Why it's not there? Open. Let's see. Is PDF file open? Let's see. Extreme rainfall paper just now. Microsoft Word. I don't know why it's not open Microsoft Word. So, for example, I open that paper. You see, my paper here, I already have all the template is ready. I have the title, affiliation, name, affiliation is here. The what we call this? Line and spacing is already there. Which area I need to do justify or align to left? Which one is need to be justified? Is all there. First, how we can view that I already prepare all the research template is you can go to view here and do the navigation pen. You see my navigation pen is very well prepared. Very well prepared. You don't need to write everything from the beginning again. So example here, I will copy here this data. We can manipulate this one. I put it somewhere and then open. Okay. It's default again. Where this data just now. I can close this. This one. Okay, we can manipulate this Microsoft Word just for teaching purposes. So we open view just now, navigation pen. Navigation pen is very useful. Use it for your research. So navigation pen, for example, you want to go to abstract, you can click abstract here. You can go to directly to abstract. And if we want to write something about method, click method here, and you will go to method. You see, very easy. And if you want to write about data and sources here, you can write about the 3.2, and I put everything very tentatively. This is 5.4. And then if I want to write conclusion, I can go down here. and then declaration, and then reference. Use navigation pen. So how we are going to prepare this template by, and then by also, and we also will have the navigation pen. So from the beginning, I will show you how to do this from the beginning. But this is the end product that I show you. So every time I do my next research, I will just change here title, maybe trend analysis in of extreme rainfall in Peninsula Malaysia. But over the year, I learned that when we prepare this title, we must use, uh, you know, we cannot use capitalize everything. Trend analysis of extreme rainfall in Peninsula Malaysia. Okay. Yeah. So all my template is already prepared like this. How I write the title based on my experience with the reviewer is all there. Where to do capital letter, where to not do capital letter is all there. So when I want to put my name is already there. If so, I just put here my name and all remove all the other affiliation. So this already saved me a lot of time just to do this one. Yeah, and then do the abstract, write the abstract, write the introduction, the study area, but different field arrangement will be different. So when I write my write my research, I just use the same template. This template, this template, I will just use this template. And then I change everything here. I just delete everything, or delete everything, and then write it again here. Write again introduction, everything. You see all the introduction here already have the same format, normal here. No, I will show you how to do that one. All the format is there. It's all being formatted very well. It's not random. It's not back to square one. No, we don't want to back to square one. It's waste of your time. So everything is there. You see arrangement is already justify, the spacing is already correct. It's all there. So from the beginning, I'll show you how to do that from the beginning. So it's all start from the beginning. Once you prepare your research template, everything after that become very smoothly. So the first one is you do the research title, right? Trend of extreme rainfall. And then, for example, this one is needed, and then you have your affiliation. You see when I prepare uh this template, the one here is it's set Calibri, but I want it to be Times New Roman. Some people who don't have research template, and then he change it again here, Times New Roman, and then 12, font 12, spacing 2, and then right again, center of sustainability, and then change again here. That is waste of your time. So instead of doing that waste of your time, so instead you can use this what style. You format the style. Format the style. For example, normal one here. Normal one is when we write the paragraph, everything, something like that. You can set here, do modify, normal. You see, Calibri here, you change it to Times New Roman. Text size 12. And then justify. And then this is quite difficult to see if it's 2 point, justify, space, line spacing, multiple. Further, we want, then okay. I think 2. We want 2 line spacing option before 6, 14. Okay. We want to justify 6. You see, it's before 12. Now we want 6 and 14. Before and after 14. Okay. Now it's become justify double spacing. Easy, right? So this is. So this is extreme rainfall. This is my and then email, something like that, my email, and then you have your abstract. Consider abstract. Abstract. So when you prepare the title here, sometimes you prepare again up here. So it's only waste of your time again, right? So instead of doing that one by one, you can use heading one here. Heading one. So it's still default. So you can change heading one here to modify. And then you do Times New Roman 12. We want it to be bold. The color will be black. And then justify. You want it to be double spacing. Okay. You see, you can click here. It will change. If you put it normal, it's normal. Now we want it to be heading number one. You see, once it become heading number one, this heading number one will visible here at the heading here. It will become visible here. And then if we want to prepare another heading, for example, number one, introduction. Okay. We want introduction to be the heading also. You can highlight this one and then click heading. You see it become heading for number one, section one. Section one. And then you can do section two. And then you can do section two. What study area? Study area. You can write and then highlight it. Go to heading one. So it's become section two. You see? You can go directly easily. Abstract, introduction, study area. And then I want number three is data. Data I can just put here, heading one. So we already do heading one. So it will have all the heading that you want. And then if you want to do another subheading, for example, 3.1 station data, we can highlight this one and then do to heading two. Heading two. You see it become heading two. But you can modify here. 2 times New Roman, size 12. Black. And then usually I like subheading to be italic. So I do italic. And then, okay. So I have subsection 3.1. So I want 3.2, for example, graded data. I can just highlight this one, go to heading 2. So easily you can have your navigation pane for the heading already. So introduction, everything you can just write everything here. Like maybe you can just trend of extreme rainfall in Penang Island. So you can maybe use ChatGPT. Here I can show you using ChatGPT. I can just set write introduction for this research title. Okay. So this is just example. So it will not give you exactly the result. So this is just the beginning. So just put it here. You see, when I put the body here just now, when I copy the data, when you copy from ChatGPT, make sure you paste it by using this keep text only. Okay, you see it's only the arrangement is not double spacing or something like that, right? So we must do this normal again, and then we can modify this to do it double spacing. So let's see, double spacing supposed to be 12. I don't know. Oh. Oh, why it's not become like that? Let's see. Oh, this one. This is double spacing. I've not this one. This is the space between spacing. This double spacing. Okay. Okay. Now we have double spacing. Double spacing just now is actually this one. So I can change this to normal just now. Normal. Everything will be automated. If you highlight again, it will become use the same format. but I want this one to be double spacing. Is already double spacing. So I want to remove the space that I created just now. I don't want any space between this paragraph. So this is some of the example. So we have introduction already. And then study area, we have study area here. You can see. So every time you put your, for example, data. I want to describe station data by using ChatGPT. Just some of the words that I want to say. Okay. Yes, this is enough. Okay, I will show you when we put data. For example, our station data. It's already normal, right? The normal is already the same format. So you don't need to refer back times New Roman again, keep it to 12 and then make it justify double spacing. This is waste of your time. So it's better to use the style, format your style, and then put it. It will automatically go into the navigation pane. So every time you write something here, it's already the same format, normal one, which is Times New Roman 12 pages, double spacing at 12 size text, and then double spacing is enough. Color black, that's all. So this is how you prepare your research template. By make sure you have your heading, set your heading. Usually we only have 1 or 2 heading, but sometimes you have 3 heading. The third heading you can use another third heading, but usually we have only 1 or 2 up to 2 subheading, something like this. You see, you can just format this subheading, and then you can have your navigation pane easily like this. After that, after you finish prepare your research template like this, until the conclusion, later on when you want to write another paper, you just copy this template and then replace it with another research paper. So this is tremendously save your time. So this is one of the top secret on how to become hyper productive research publisher. You can publish a lot of paper just by using this shortcut. Make sure you have research template. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you for watching.